Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change server profile nickname in Discord. So in this case, just go to user settings first, then go to profiles, the second option. Then you'll find here two options: user profile and server profile. Go to server profiles. After that, you'll find here your server nickname. Just you can write here anything like awesome. Then you just make your save changes here, or you can add your pronouns here. If you add your pronouns, you can add here, or if it's right for you all, then just click on save changes. Okay, your server nickname has added. So guys, this is how you can change your server nickname. Before that, you can do one thing is click here and choose your server. From here all of your server will be shown. If you want to change another server nickname, click on here and you can write your name and click on save changes. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.